Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
Irma, you can't catch me. You can't catch me, Irma, you can't catch me. You can't catch me, Irma, you can't catch me. You can't. As a matter of fact, Irma, stop. Stop, Irma, cause bad girl Susan, my name, I'm not run for nobody. I'm not run for nobody. And Jamaica will come from, I'm afraid of nothing. Irma, your breath stink. That's why everything you blow, it run way. Irma, me joke in your blood clot.
I know Irma is not an actual person, it's a hurricane, right?
I could have tsunami. Me no care. I could have blood clot tsunami. Irma, your breath stink.
Well, fuck me with a footlong, no lettuce. Neighbor, what are you doing in New York? Actually, you know what? I'm not surprised you're in Brooklyn since real bad men are from Brooklyn. This man from 90s Machiavelli make you know what a hollow point is. Hello.
What are you doing in New York anyways?
Come on, my guy. Don't you see Hurricane Irma coming towards Florida like a fucking raging bull? Huh? I know you're Jamaican, so you're used to water coming through your roof and not having enough supplies, my guy. But not me, okay?
Alright, first of all, we have our houses in Jamaica are just like the ones over here.
What? Come on. Come on, Oliver. I guess the next thing you're gonna tell me is you guys have Wi-Fi too. Fucking comedian.
Dog, you know, so no matter what me tell my woman that she never believe me, that man, tell her some love her, she never believe me. Man, not no me do, dog. Better you eat that, man. I want thing me sure every girl believe me, and I say them all good. Man, you don't go so that. You eat that, you know. You never believe me. Watch your style, yeah. Zed.
You sure tell my name so far?
No, so I love you.
Listen, you see that Mariah Carey? You know what love is. I talk, you talk.
You see that? Watch your style, yeah. Zed. You know, see, you have the best old in the world.
Let me tell you. You see that old here are the best one, are the bestest one. I feel like the gold on Port Royal. It's hard for find. Now I tell you, you know, Atom, I saw my old man. Sometimes I beat, and I never can find it. Believe me, no? I say I go on guys one time, and I'm gonna say, oh, where's your vagina? I'm like, it's there. You don't see it. I'm like, no.
Stop talking.
Now I tell you, I really think. See right now, National Geographic want to do a documentary on it. Yeah, I saw it good. One of a kind, and never something like this before. It have changed the world. Believe me.
That's true. You believe that?
What do you mean? If I believe that? If I can believe me, I can't believe that. We have love to come to the house.
Wait, dog. No, Sharon na tuto this. Sharon! Wait, Kevin! Is you that? Wait. Is what that in your belly? Oh, I know it's a long time you see me, but yes, I'm pregnant. Yeah, right? What you mean? You're deaf? I'm pregnant. You have a fetus inside of me. Fetus? So much Bigfoot you have? Kevin, listen to me.
Yes?
You're gonna have a baby, okay? Jeez. Wait, Kevin.
Kevin.
Is you that? I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant.
Yeah, right? Yeah, right?
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
How much for coming at the party? What is better? I'm there before the money and a dog. How much for coming at the party, dog?
Dog, this is not this is not the kind of fucking fest for that kid.
Dog, so what? A man tell me say my money no good, dog. What man do? This me?
Dog, this is not your fucking dance, dog. Look at your fucking condition. You come with a high-speed fucking thing. Look, I can see you coin in your pocket, dog. Dan. No move watch. This is not no party yet. Just carry your cunt now, man. Don't worry yourself now, man. Move now, man. Leave, dog. Next.
Dog, wait till me come back here. Wait till the bomb buckle that man come.
Yo, look, the man coming back.
You fuck I see here with this man. Dog, don't fuck me up.
So you say me can't go in there so now? Soak to the fucking boat.
Okay, I told you Jamaican bad man that jab, you know. And we touching on the place. Hey, lay in for free. Give any fucking thing you want. Hey, you go.
Fucking piece of shit car. How is that broke down? Broke down like your mama bumbo clot. Sorry, boss. Where the blood clot battery you say you go buy? Eh? I walk now in a foot stool. Come out of blood clot car. Go ride 2 donkey and go suck your mother.
Always girl me have 3 spine. You know when you want to beg me rewind. On me head. Me not like man with
Oh, dear ass. Yo, that. Go there. Guess who that? Simone the ex. Blood stain dog. Simone turn star bad man. That me I try to show you, Virgin. Big video vixen. You see the fool. You see you left the girl. Virgin, you know say she cheap on me, Michael. Yo, no say that's why me left her. You better say no man, born hot. But it never kill nobody. People kill people. Well, I'm true that. Hold on there. Me ask you big guess. I right off the top of your head, you know say a Simone. What? Her face now show. How you know say a Simone? Me never see nothing. Yeah, you burn a man now.
On my head, me not like man was soft in a bed. On my head.
No, don't stop because you don't dance, you make money moves. Where's the money? I sent you to make jollof rice for me. This is the foolishness you are doing. Is this what you're calling bloody shoes? Let me see. This is expensive, this is red bottoms, this is bloody shoes. But this is the most bloodless bloody shoes I've ever seen in my entire life. No atom of blood or red on this thing you're calling bloody shoes. Quick to cut a nigga off so don't get comfortable. Which nigga are you cutting off? Ordinary one nigga, you don't have. Common make, you don't have. Even mission impossible. We'll say you should go and find husband. It's not possible. But you are here singing rubbish. You can cook my rice for me before I give you one expensive slap with these expensive shoes. You misguided, unconventional vagabond. Idiot.
What go on by?
I tell you about talking this Trinidad, you talk Dan, you sound like a cunt.
Anyways, dad, we get the visa and my
Dan, don't fuck me up, you get you?
Yeah, man, embassy boss.
When you reach up the road?
I don't know it, dad, but anytime soon, we can afford your place though.
Dog, let me tell you, anytime you reach New York, you're good.
I don't see a word, man. Me surprised, man. Just look out for me.
3 weeks later.
Fresh!
Who the fuck? Them fucking you, listen man. Who the fuck me up? Oh boy! What dog? When you see dog? When you reach?
I'm reached morning, damn it. There, you're fine pretty
You
man.
see what I tell you that dog? Wait, where are going? Come on, where going?
Sit down there.
Now, we still want to talk, man. Come on, man. Dog, we're going on them bag! Now we're going on them bag! You can't, no. You can't come here, dog. No, you can't come here.
I'm good at New York.
But I tell you, good in New York. New York is outside here, not inside here. Inside here is my fucking place. Out there, partner. Listen, man. It have hotel, it have plane, it have train, it have drain, it have walking. Not fucking here, partner. Watch Andy. Watch, dog, you're good. Link me, man. You go talk. Yeah.
All I bad man them and all I hot girl them. You see when it's a GTW? Don't trip. Coast rides the whip.